My name is Jack Sanchez, and this is my lesson for a third grade geography class. There are actually two standards that I put into this lesson, and the first one is a geography standard. It is 3.1.1 AG, which states to utilize alphanumeric grid to locate the continents and oceans. This indicator prompts students to inquire about the location of major physical features around the world by utilizing a basic grid. For example, letters on one axis, numbers on the other, as preparation for learning latitude and longitude. And the second standard is an English standard. It is C1.1.2. It states to participate in discussions, ask questions to acquire information concerning a topic, text, or issue. An ISTE standard that can be used with this is Empowered Learner. Students leverage technology to take an active role in choosing, achieving, and demonstrating competency in their learning goals informed by the learning sciences. The objective for this standard is that students will be able to have an early concept of longitude and latitude in the world map, further strengthening their understanding of it. The technology kit that will be used for this lesson is a drone. Before this lesson, the students must have prior knowledge of the location of the 7 major continents and the major oceans and must be able to locate it on a map. The activity will go as follows. The students are going to be looking at a drone's perspective on a projector. The drone is looking down on a gridded map of the world on a gym floor or something similar. In a separate worksheet, as shown on the screen, the students will have an identical map of the floor map. The worksheet will have landmarks labeled, such as a continent/country name or the name of an ocean, and an alphanumeric grid. The teacher will stand on the landmark on the floor, then instruct the students to find the alphanumeric point on the map and individually record it on their worksheets. After the activity, the teacher will teach the students about longitude and latitude and how it is similar to the alphanumeric grid they used in the activity. The students will then work on a simple longitude and latitude worksheet as shown on the screen. The students will be given a sheet with a longitude and latitude grid and will repeat the past activity but slightly altered. The students will be the ones moving on the grid while the teacher calls out longitude and latitude coordinates, and the students must move to it according to their maps. The teacher may put a projection of the drone on a smartboard to let students see where they are in the drone shots. For e-learning, the students will have similar worksheets and will have a video to watch about latitude and longitude and take a quiz on it. Because of the English standard, you may have your students work in groups and meet virtually during class time to discuss their answers. And that concludes the video. Thank you.